Well, we finally made it to Palm Springs. We're gonna go to a strip joint before you go to the bachelor party. It's like, what is that, like AAA ball before you make the majors type of shit? And a cab guy looked at us and he says, do you like big girls? I said, well, is that all you got in Palm Springs? Guys getting a little kickback from the big girl strip joint. I knew that was happening because why would he recommend that? God, we're Vegas guys. I mean, we don't have big girl strip joints in Vegas. Took us to another joint. It was nice. We loved it. To where the stage is and you could sit right there. It's real easy to put the dollars in the G-string kind of shit, you know. It's a really freaking weird place. I said, what are you talking about? These girls, they come out, they do a dance, they got nothing on. He says, you know, except for a little tiny G-string, but they got no nipples. I don't see any nipples in this whole place. I said, they're wearing pasties. Hey, pasties, you know, like the burlesque dancers, they put the things over their frickin' nipples. I mean, you gotta use a little bit of imagination. I mean, it's not totally frickin' off, you know what I'm saying? It's like Vegas. This ain't Vegas.